Hello, welcome back. In this video, we will learn about the spread operator or three dots operator. So why I call that three dots? Because the operator is just three dots like this. Okay, but it's amazing. All right, so let's create an example to understand, to get a better understanding about the spread operator. Okay, so let's create a number arrays. Okay, a number arrays with the initial value 1, 2, and 3, like this. And now, when you create a new array, okay, a new number arrays like this. Okay, and you want to get the number arrays and add more items for this array. So how you can do that? I think most of the time you will do something like this. String equal number. All right, and okay, let me see. String, let number, new number, string equal the number. Oh, I'm sorry. This is a number. All right. So you will do something like this, and then you will use the push, right? Push. Maybe you want to add 4 to the end of the new number, right? But if you do this, the first that is this new number is a reference of the number. Okay, so let's try to see. So try to log the number first and then log the new number. Okay, so whether these two arrays are different? No. So you see that we have the same result for the two arrays. So why? Because the new number is a reference of the number. It's not a new one. Not a new one. Not a clone. A cloning one. So we need to do by new thing. So to clone the number and add it into the new number, we can use the spread operator. Right? I think you can do another way by using the for loop. You create a new number and then you loop the first number, and you push every item from the number into the new number, right? But by using that way, you must write too much code, and that's not necessary. So by using the spread operator, just do something like this. Spread operator, then number, then the 4 items that you want to add it, and you can also add more items like this. Okay, and now let's log the number and the new number. Okay, now you see we have the first arrays is the same, and the second arrays, the new number arrays, now is the first one plus the new item. Okay, very cool, right? And let's create an example with string to get better understand. Let student equal this is the object. Okay, not an array. This object, this student has university. Okay, maybe the international one. Okay, and then you create a student1 equal you want to copy the information about the student. So how you can do that? You can use spread operator from the student, so you can get the information, all the information from the student 1, from the first student to the student 1, like this, and then you put an extra information like the full name, Jade, okay, and then let's log the student 1 to see. Clear. Alright, now you see we have the information about the student and then the extra information from the student 1, like this. Okay, you see this spreading operator is very amazing, right? And another thing that the spread operator can help, that using for the pointer. Okay, let's do an example to see. So let's create a person. A person has a variable name A, for example, and let's create a student. Now we assign a student by a person. Now the person name equal B. So let's log the student name. So let's run. Now the student name is B. Why? You see, I create a student variable and I change the name of the person, not the student, okay? Not the student, but the person, equal B. So normally you will think that the student name is A, right? But here you are creating a reference from student to the person. You are not create a new one, you just create a reference. So to create a new one, you need to do something like this. You create a new object by using the curly brackets, and then you use the spreading operator person. Alright, and now let's try again. So we receive A here because student now is a new object with the information from the person, not the person again, not the reference again. Alright, so that's all for this video, and if you have any question, please comment below. And if you like the video, please click the button like and subscribe to the channel. That will make me happy to create more interesting video for you. Alright, thanks again and see you in the next video.